Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit TradingView shorts. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. Right here, you're going to find your profile settings and so on. And from here, you can search for any market that you want from the search bar. You can also filter the list. You can see only stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. If you go right here to the right, you're going to find your watch list, also read list, and you can also create a new list or import a list. For example, I'm going to click on Apple stock right here, and it will take me to this page. So if you click right here, you're going to find all of the currencies. Right here, you can see all super charts. And from here, you're going to find the chart. You can get widget, see by area, candles. From here, you can take a snapshot. And lastly, from here, you can launch the full chart view. So I'm going to launch the full chart view and it will take me to this page. So once you're here, you're going to find a lot of tools like the trend line, FIB retracement, pattern, long position, brush, text, icon, measure. You can zoom in or zoom out, magnet mode, stay in drawing mode, lock all drawing tools, hide all drawings, and lastly, remove objects if you want to remove all the objects. So for example, I'm going to add a trend line. I'm going to click right here and click right here. And as you can see, guys, now I added the trend line. You can also change the color. For example, I'm going to make it purple like this. And if you click right here, more, you can hide it. You can see the visual order. You can clone it, copy it. And if you click in the settings, you can style it, add a text, coordinates, and also visibility. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.